Okay, guys, we're going to make this really quick and easy. We're doing blackened. That's right. Creole, Louisiana, Blackened type seasoning on sirloin strip steaks that I cut. We're going to call them Kansas City strips with the Creole, Tony's. Bold Creole seasoning guy makes great blackened fish. I've done this on my steaks now because I'm trying so many varieties for Carnivore. Preheat. You're talking blackened. That skillet has been preheated for a while. Little test butter run. Looks good. Baby. Leave all that fat on them steaks now. Don't take any of that off. The hard gristle, none of it. Take it off after you cook it. My dogs enjoy it real well. We're talking blackened, guys. Blackened. Kind of make sure it ain't sticking to the side. Let that fat get cooked. Turn it underneath a little if you want. Oh yeah. Out there is a hot piece of iron. We're going to pair it with some eggs. Preheat your egg skillet, throw in a little fresh butter, crack your eggs, turn it off, and then come back to it. Turn her up. Eggs and blackened Kansas City strip steaks. What? Oh, not long on them first sides, guys. Don't cook her long. If you like a little blood in your steak like I do, don't cook her long. Add a little fresh butter. All right, we're going to give them a flip. Oh, yeah. They are hot. Like over easy soft eggs, but don't always want to flip them in fear of breaking them. Check it out. Just let them sit sunny side up. Let it drain off some of the white, the sides, and all that butter. Don't worry about flipping them. Just keep breaking that white and let all that white get cooked down. Roger? Oh my God, them steaks smell good. They are coming off. That's it, guys. Ooh. That's the idea, guys. Hot fired seared. We don't care if it actually looks black. Skillet's black. It's hot. Now you could flip them, or you could just take a little bit of water where you pull that egg aside, pour that water in there. Oh, it's nice and hot. Top it off. Shut her down. That should do it. Oh yeah. How's them beautiful basted eggs, guys? Final step is to dress that cow with some Carnivore sprouts. They're kind of like spicy radish tasting, green radish. Oh, they go so good with the beef. That's it, guys. Go Carnivore. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Look really juicy, right? Lots of juice. That's a must. Nobody likes a dry steak. Now I just cut them thin on my electric slicer, right? Cut them thin so with that flash. Blackened, seared. And the only seasoning is Creole's. Ooh yeah. Got some nice blood coming out there. This is a cheap, not sharp knife. Try forking it. Can we fork it? Yeah. We can cut her with a fork. Pair that with a little egg. Well, I don't know. Is it good or will it just do? Try it. Try it on beef. Flash, blackened, ironed. Must have iron.